All right, and so we have Ladi also walking into the sets now with his crypto numbers and his crypto stories. Ladi, any good news?
You know what we normally say about Fridays, you know, we expect red Fridays, but it's a green Friday.
Wow.
Yeah, even though we had that.
Am I shocked or what?
Yeah, you should be shocked.
Okay, I think the inflation, the inflation numbers came out yesterday.
Hot.
Market reacted and recovered.
Recovered immediately.
Very short recovery.
Yeah, and we're seeing that 24 for extreme fear. Better than what we had yesterday, about 20 points. So it's 24 points we're seeing.
When are we going
100.
to leave 20s?
I'm hoping soon, you know, at some point when the bulls...
see it soon.
or when inflation starts trending downward,
exactly.
maybe, if that happens. Let's look at the market cap now. $941.63 billion, up 3.13%. And we see volume traded down 15.66%, even though we had that big jump yesterday after we got that CPI data. Bitcoin dominance, 40.34%. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin this morning. It got to about $19,793, up 3.84%. It did fall to about $18,300 yesterday before the CPI data came out. And we saw that quick bounce, even with the U.S. equities market there. Volume traded $49.90 billion. We see Ethereum, that wasn't left out. Ethereum also jumped yesterday about $1,325. Talking about the price of Ethereum. Volume traded for Ethereum there, $19.41 billion. We get that Ethereum price at some point. Let's look at the top alts by market cap now. We see it's all green on that count. Everything is up. But XRP is the biggest mover there, up 8.09% from that CPI data we got yesterday. We see XRP reacting bigger than other altcoins there. BNB there up 3.14%, $274.99. Let's bring in Gilbert Jopata now, financial market analyst, to bring us up to speed. Hello, Gilbert. Hello, Gilbert. Gilbert, can you hear me? All right, we'll try and get Gilbert again. And we see the top 5 gainers there. We see ENS there, Ethereum naming service there, is up 17.93%. This has not been going with the trend, you know, of the market, but it's looking really good there, $19.54. Let's try and get Gilbert one more time. Hello, Gilbert.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Gilbert. Happy Friday, and it's a green Friday. I'm sure you're excited.
Oh, yes, I am. We always love the green.
Yeah, we always love the green. Yeah, but it's quite interesting, you know, before that CPI data came out, everything was going down. We saw Bitcoin drop to like $18,300, and I'm sure a lot of traders must have dumped, you know, seeing everything going down. But the data came out, and the market went up. What's happening?
The thing is, CPI data always validates the Fed's next course of action. So with yesterday's CPI number of about 8.2%, I see another 75 basis point hike on the horizon by November or more. On the micro, if you look at the micro, which has given us this increase, I think a lot of persons are going to be caught by the BS, because if you zoom out and wear a market sniper binocular lens and look at the market in the macro setup, the market is about adjusting to a bearish direction. So until we have a more stable market, on-chain analysis at this point is not something we should be focused on. All eyes should be on the Fed. The reason saying this is because it's like having a building and you're analyzing the building and yet the ground is shaky. So right now, to really anticipate market direction, we should be looking at the Fed, which is the structure, the ground, and not the building. So macro level, we are already adjusting to a bearish direction, despite the micro term price upside.
And obviously everybody's asking, is this going to be sustainable, this rally we're seeing? But obviously we know the consensus out there. Everybody's still, you know, looking down at this point. But let's look at, you know, what are you looking at, you know, right now in the market? I want to get your picks, because some say the bottom is close, some say it's still far away, but some are still dollar cost averaging, you know, at this point. But what are you buying?
Okay, I still think we still have a more discount sale that is still going to come. But as unpopular as this may sound, there are assets that are more structured for a price performance and is going to outperform BTC on the short term. If you will let me put it into perspective, top of my list is the MetaNep token. You know, this is a new project which is building it's a metaverse and NFT project. And it has done over 1,000% in the last 2 months, and it looks more structured for a price continuation. You know, new project building in the bear market are known to increase rapidly, but beyond technicals, the community is growing and becoming strong, and there is continuous development going on. And there's also a plan to host international artists and even our local Nigerian artists in its metaverse. So I see the fundamental activity pushing more to more price surge and price action. Second on my list is the XRP. You know, the court case, the over 2 years court case is coming into a close very soon. So this legal battle ending is good news for them, and they are gently having institutional backing. And with the technicals of XRP, these are assets that on the short term is well structured for a price continuation and will probably, it should outperform Bitcoin, because I think Bitcoin should have some downside spill.
All right, Gilbert, good picks. We'll keep watching those picks to see how they actually do perform. Thank you so much. Enjoy the weekend.
And you too.
All right, so Ini, there we have it. It's MetaNet and XRP for Gilbert at this time. That's what he's buying. So I guess that's what we should be looking at.
Yeah, but we should also tell investors
not financial advice,
exactly,
please.
Exactly, very important.
Do your
Thank you so
own
much.
research.
I wish you a green weekend.
Yeah, it better be green.